Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find phone number on Facebook. Well, this is just a very easy and quick tutorial, but first you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Now launch your Facebook application. And as you can see at the top, you can see your different features, but what you're going to do is to simply click these three lines at the top right corner. Now, once you tap this, kindly locate the gear icon or the settings. Tap this one. And then after you tap this, you will see this option Accounts Center. So tap this See More in Account Center. And then once you tap this, scroll down till you see this personal details that is below password and security. So tap personal details, and then here you will see the following, such as your email address, your birthday, account ownership, identity confirmation. But as you can see here, I haven't added a phone number yet. So if you want to add, and then all you have to do is to click this add your contact, add mobile number, and then that's it. Now you can find it right here once you have added your phone number. And you can also change your phone number if you want. You just have to go to personal details. You will see here your phone number and your email address, so you can click delete or add. Everything is up to you, but that's how easy it is to find phone number on Facebook. Just go to personal details and you will see there your phone number. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.